Good morning, my name is Benjamin Moeller. I'm a paleontologist and I'm reporting from my garden here in Tucson, Arizona yet again. We've been enduring a heat wave here for the last couple of weeks, but thankfully all of my stuff is still alive. We're not really blooming anymore, but that's kind of to be expected. Although there are lots of little buds on the hibiscus. There's a little flower right there. Anyway, the important thing is that tomorrow, the very first videos that I shot on the Menefee expedition 2 months ago are finally going to be premiering publicly on YouTube. These are videos that I shoot during the day on the excavation where we're digging up dinosaur fossils, turtles, crocodilians, plants, invertebrates, all kinds of stuff. All those exciting things that we find during the day. I'm editing footage when we come back in the afternoon, uploading it on rural Wi-Fi, which is an experience, so that my expedition donors on Patreon are able to see exactly what we were up to on the very same day that we did it. I've been wanting to share the experience of the Menefee expedition for many years. Last year was the first time that I did kind of longer form videos every single day. And this year I ended up shooting, I think, just under 100 minutes of video, publishing under 100 minutes of video. I shot a lot more that ended up getting cut, obviously. So I'm really proud of all of this work, and I'm really excited for people to get to see it. Again, patrons that give $12 a month, and that's stuff that covers my fuel and car maintenance and stuff to get me into the field, they get to see what I'm doing the exact same day that I do it. And then my guide contributors, who give $6 a month, were able to watch all of these videos a month after they came out. And now that it's been 2 months, they're gonna go public on YouTube. So if you subscribe to this page, you're gonna start seeing a new video pop up at 7 a.m. Pacific time every single day for the next 2 weeks. They range from like 5 to 10 minutes long, and it documents just the highs and not really the lows, because there's not lows when we're in the middle of nowhere finding new fossils every single day, stuff that's 80 million years old that's never been seen by another human being. Although it is a ton of work, and there's not really a lot of footage of just kind of the grinding through. I kind of skip to the sweet spots, so you don't have to see all the excruciating work that goes into this. Anyway, I'm really excited for these videos to come out. In the description, I'm obviously going to have links to the Patreon if you want to sign up to see the next round of expedition videos whenever they come out. I'm hoping to do some more trips later in the summer and in the early fall, so there's going to be more expedition videos, definitely before the next Menefee expedition next summer, so don't worry about that. I also write a lot of research profiles. I've published over 70,000 words on Patreon, and if you only want to give $3 a month, you still get access to all of that, the entire back archive, and 2 new research notes every single week. So there's a lot of cool stuff to enjoy, but I'm excited for YouTube to finally see what we were up to. So subscribe, watch those videos, please share them, and check out the Patreon, and then the Discord is going to be linked in the comments. And that's the best way for you to keep up with all of my public work, everything that's been published for free, both on Patreon and on YouTube. And that's all I have to say. So enjoy the plants and enjoy the videos.